Carlson was one of them.
I've never seen that one, yeah.
There were a bunch of people who, beginning over a year ago, started saying the government had to get involved. Now, what the Turkey
Hey, how'd you know I was there?
Did you see?
How did you know I was taping you? You got eyes behind your head. You got eyes behind your head?
Yeah, there was no political will.
How'd you know I was sneaking behind you? You're a little sneaky girl. You know a lot of things going on, don't you? What, you smiling and turning your head away from me? Get over here. Come over here. Now, what do you got to say for yourself? Really? I just fed you. Now you must be really happy. Now you like me, right? Yeah? I know you like me now because I fed you. I think this is the best video I did so far because you got a funny face. You look like... You try to talk. Oh, people are going to love this video. What else you have to say? Anything else? I know what's going to happen with you now. You're going to start talking and more talking and more talking. You're going to get older and more talking with your girlfriends on the phone, more talking. Then you're going to run into your 50s and your 60s. And you're going to tell your husband, do this and do that, do this and do that, do this and do that. And he's going to say, leave me alone, I'm never right. And you're going to say, shut up, take out the garbage. Shut up and take out the garbage. That's going to be you. I know that. That's what happens to all little girls like you. They grow up to become crazy old ladies. Whoa, what are you doing? Some exercise? Whoa, you're going to... What are you doing? You want to get out? Oh my God, I got to shut the video off now.